Today, we're diving into a topic that's both enjoyable and crucial for sustaining long-term relationships in real estate: client appreciation events. A long time ago, when I started my career in real estate, I listened to a panel of the top 10 agents in the country to learn from the best of the best as to how they developed their business. I remember the top dog went on and on about all the things he did to develop business. It actually was exhausting trying to keep up. When the second guy got his turn, he blew me away with a simple response. When asked how he developed his business, he said, "I just party. For the first time in my life, I wanted to be number two." To me, that sounded fun. Now, I'm not a party animal, but I fully understood that it was much more fun working with people that liked, trusted, and believed in me. So why not create a fun experience and bring like-minded people together? Client appreciation events are not just about saying thank you. They're a strategic tool for deepening relationships, securing repeat business, and generating referrals. Let's explore how you can host events that leave a lasting impression. First, define the purpose of your event. Is it to celebrate a successful year, to welcome new clients, or maybe to reconnect with former clients? Your goal will dictate the type of event you organize, whether it's a formal dinner, a casual get-together, or even a family-friendly picnic. Next, consider your budget. It doesn't have to be lavish. It's the thought and personal touch that counts. Focus on creating memorable experiences rather than extravagant ones. Even a simple coffee meetup or ice cream social can be special with the right personal touches. Perhaps they all leave home with your branded Stanley Cup, along with encouragement to post a picture on social media wherever they take the cup on their travels. Be sure to engage with every post. Personalization is key. Tailor your event to reflect your brand and the interests of your clientele. This could mean choosing a venue that aligns with your client's tastes or incorporating activities that resonate with them. For all your pet lovers, consider a day at the spa for pets or a simple hike or picnic at a local park. Invite your favorite pet store or veterinarian to help sponsor the event. And don't forget the invitations. They should reflect both professionalism and warmth. Whether you opt for digital invites or traditional mailed invitations, make sure they're thoughtful and engaging. Include all necessary details and perhaps a personal note to make your clients feel truly special. During the event, engage with every guest and make each client feel acknowledged and appreciated. And then share stories to express gratitude and then listen to their feedback. These interactions are invaluable. And finally, follow up after the event. Send thank you notes, share photos, and maybe even a small gift. This follow-up is a powerful reminder of the positive experience and keeps you top of mind. Perhaps include a small survey and invite your clients to help pick the theme for next year's event. By including them, they'll be that much more excited to participate next year and possibly even tell their friends about you and the wonderful experience you've created. To wrap up, I think you will agree that client appreciation events are a powerful investment in your business's future. They build loyalty, enhance satisfaction, and boost your network through positive word of mouth. Thanks for watching, and if you're planning your next client event, or if you've just hosted one, share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights each week. Here's to creating memorable moments with your clients. Create the experience your clients will love to talk about.